All right, as we all know that SEBI has kept all the social media influencers or finfluencers, as we all know them, on their radar when it comes to giving any information related to financial markets or even when it comes to financial literacy. So we all know that a lot of directives have already come earlier from SEBI, be it the advertising and marketing directives for IRA and research analyst, and also end of last year we had seen SEBI giving directives or a definition of what's a celebrity to all the mutual fund houses, where if a person has more than 10 lakhs following, should not be used for any kind of marketing and advertising by mutual funds. Now further on, what is also expected from SEBI, it's a source with information that SEBI will also come up with guidelines, or SEBI can come up with guidelines where all the mutual fund houses, distributors, traders registered with SEBI will be, even research analysts will be given a directive to have a limited use of social media influencers or finfluencers. There will be proper guidelines as to on what things can these people be used, and SEBI actually fears the amount of misleading information that might go from these social media influencers. SEBI also understands that controlling these social media influencers doesn't directly come under its jurisdiction, but then what can be done is the legitimacy of people using these kind of influencers can be controlled, and so there is a directive likely to be issued for mutual fund houses, for traders registered with SEBI, and for distributors especially, to have a limited use of social media influencers, where a guideline is expected to come as to in what ways these people can be used, these social media influencers can be used, what kind of content can be generated from them. So very soon we can expect this, and this is obviously a source-based information, but then SEBI is working further crackdown on social media influencers.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.